What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt. Today we're looking at another smart robot vacuum cleaner. This one is the Trifo Ironpie M6. Now this one is a little bit different from the others that we've looked at in the sense that it is a remote control security camera. That's pretty cool, I haven't seen that yet. As of right now, this is 300 bucks on Amazon and it has a 4-star rating. Now it's ideal for low pile carpet and hardwood floor. It has a PA suction rating of 1800. That's Pascals. So we got instruction manual. Got all the accessories here. Oh, this is cool. For those who know, I've got a couple of these already, like 3 of them, but they all come with a cool little tool that helps you keep it clean. This one is a little more unique. It has this sort of like a, some sort of a hook brush thing, then a softer brush, and then right here is a little razor blade so you can get in the hairs that get caught up in the bristles and you cut them off. These things are awesome. Don't ever lose this. Then we got a few extra side brushes. Oh man, it came with 4? Awesome. We've got a docking station. That's a slick little docking station. That's the smallest one that I've looked at so far. I like it. Got a power adapter, extra filter, nice. That is slick looking, I like that. That's very clean. Okay, so the front is a bumper. Anytime it bumps into something, it'll automatically start redirecting to avoid whatever it is and continue on its way. You've got the security camera right on top. Looks like home and power button. Let's see. Okay, so right here, you stick the brushes on. Oh, that's easy. There we go. Now we got our wheels with very nice suspension. Then we have the main brush, which this one's a little different from the others that I've seen. This actually has like a squeegee. Now you can remove this like so. Take that, clean it all out. Then you've got your connection points here for whenever it sets on the dock, connects onto here. This is the directional wheel. You've got 3 actual cliff sensors, one here, here, and here. On the side here, we have this button. Push it down, yank it out. This is where you put your filter. It's definitely a good thing to change that from time to time. The actual dustbin, you take that, you open it up, that's where your dust goes. You just dump it into a trash can, you're good to go. Now it actually has sensors on the bin itself, so it knows, it'll detect if it's not in all the way or if it's completely removed, it'll actually tell you. When you're done, you pop it right back in place. It's just that simple. Oh man, let's get this thing going. All right, so we got that plugged in. Docking station is blinking. All right, add device. So real simple on-screen instructions. Turn it on, press and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Network configuration mode.
There we go.
Follow app instructions to start QR code scan.
Doesn't get any simpler than that. All right, next. Oh, I need to put in my Wi-Fi info. Mind your business.
QR code scanned. Connecting.
Nice. Man, this is simple. Let it do its thing.
Connection successful.
All right, so the main interface is very simple. You've got your manual controls, you got your fan speed control. It shows the cleaning area, cleaning time, remaining battery, tell it to clean, recharge.
Returning to dock.
And it'll return to the dock. It's already found it. Oh, it's straightening itself up. It saw it and it was like, no, where are you going? Oh, you're lining yourself up? Get in there. There it is. There it is. Line it on up. Now, for those who are new to the robot vacuum world, I can tell you that...
Charging.
Thank you. I can tell you this, that since I got the Xiaomi vacuum cleaner, I think it was in July of 2017, I haven't touched a vacuum cleaner other than emptying out the bin and cleaning it from time to time, like a few months in between. All right, you know what? Let's do a real test here.
Returning to dock.
I'm doing it for you. No, okay. Sorry. Okay, so while it's trying to return to the dock, I've actually got a bowl of some cereal, healthy kind. Pour that out, spread it out. Let's see how well it works.
Start.
Whoa, oh, it's kind of throwing stuff. Oh, you're cleaning the studio. Oh yeah, you're definitely cleaning the studio when you're done here, for sure. You got throwing it around, but it's getting it. I mean, it's sucking it up. Now, as you can see, it wants to go off, but it senses the clip and says, nope, can't do that. Let's see if we can speed it up. Let's go full speed.
finished. Returning to dock.
It did a pretty decent job.
Battery charging.
Battery charging, okay. Excuse me. Come here. I'm gonna go into manual mode. We're gonna turn on the camera. Boom. There we go. The camera's not like, the best. It does have a small delay on it. Let's go try this out in the designated area out of the studio and see how well this really does work. Let's go. All right, so we're gonna do a little time lapse and I'm gonna put it on. Okay, so it's on full, go. Cleaning is okay as it's going away to the dock. It's looking for it. It's right there, but it keeps circling around, so it's having trouble finding the dock. As you can see, it's still left a little bit of cereal on the floor.
Battery charging.
Battery charging. So you can see, oh, there we go. So now it's hard to see in front of you because it looks up. There's a little bit of lag. See that? Yeah, a little bit of lag, but you can still see it. So there we go. That's not bad. There you have it, the Ironpie. I like the idea of having a security camera built onto it. I'd like to be able to adjust it, which would be nice. So at least if I'm controlling it remotely, I can at least see where I'm going. I like the design of it. I think the quality of it is pretty good. If you're looking for a budget-friendly version of the robot vacuum cleaner, $300 is around the budget range for this type of machine. I think it did a pretty decent job. And again, I like the addition of the two side bristles to pull in debris, but very cool. I'm definitely digging it. So if you're in the market right now and you're doing a little shopping for robot vacuum cleaner, check this one out. Also, I'll leave the links to the other ones that I looked at down in the description box below this video. Check those out. Anyway, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave the links all down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here. All right, little one, you cleaning this office.
Drive wheel not on.
I don't care, you're cleaning it. No talking back. Start cleaning.
North.
There you go.